I have done most of the questions. I have done till question number 13. Now I will do from question number 14. I will do from question number 14. And I open my notes and answers also. As in the previous video I said, I opened it now. So A plus a metal plus Na2CO3 gives B plus C, and when it reacts with carbon dioxide it gives C. Okay, so it is nothing but the reaction of Na2CO3. It's nothing but reaction of Na2CO3. Okay. So A plus Na2CO3 gives B plus C. If you know it, you take the answer and move forward. Na2CO3 gives B plus C, and if it reacts with it gives C. So I'm looking my notes and the reaction of Na2CO3, chemical reaction of Na2CO3. So here, milky cloud react with carbon dioxide. So you have to know it. What is milky cloud? At first you have to know it. The milky cloud means what? Okay, milky cloud means. Okay, milky cloud. Milky cloud means calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Calcium carbonate. Okay. So so calcium hydroxide when react with carbon dioxide gives calcium. So here it is answer is calcium hydroxide everywhere. So these are not the answer. Now Na2CO3, what does it gives? Calcium hydroxide. Okay, calcium hydroxide plus gives calcium hydroxide plus Na2CO3 gives calcium hydroxide plus here Na with CO3. Calcium hydroxide. CO3. I'm looking my notes. Calcium Okay, I am sorry, I have little bit confused between salt, because when salt plus Na2CO3 it gives something else. Okay, it gives water also, carbon dioxide also. So this is not that reaction. So this is nothing but CaCO3 plus NaOH. Next, thermal stability of hydrides of first group of element follows order. So thermal stability increases down the group. So li na ke rabi. So this is the answer. Sorry, this is not increases down the group. Li na ke rabi. This is the answer. Answer is D. 15D. I'm checking my answer. 15D. No, 15B. Thermal stability first group. Okay. I'm looking my notes. Thermal stability. Compound ionic compound heat which are break this on giving heat different thermally not stable. So as block compound down the group thermal stability increases. Down the group thermal stability increases. But in case of hydride female hot come hai. So there is a trick. There is a trick given by Survey sir. Survey sir given me this trick. Female means female. Means fluoride. Okay. Hot means hydride oxide and thermal stability कम है means decreases down the group. So that's why answer is B, not D. After looking my notes I can write this. Okay, solve done. Which of the following on heating will not give carbon dioxide means which is thermally stable. Okay, cause of first group are thermally stable. This is also important. Cause of first group are thermally stable. That means first group lithium, K, B, safer. Okay, calcium carbonate. This is not first group. So cause of first group are thermally stable except so lithium is not stable. So answer is D. Answer is D. 16D. 16D. So if you are a yakeen batch student then you can know this because Survey sir teach me. Okay, if you are not an yakeen batch student then you can revise by your own track. Okay, together revise. Now RbO2 is peroxide permagnetic. Okay, RbO2 2 means -1. So O2 means -1 charge because Bmg का सर 12 because this is Rb plus 2. So it is -1. So it is peroxide and peroxides are diamagnetic. Peroxides are therefore this is answer B. 17B. No, 17C. C? Why the C? There is given C. 17C answer. C. Oh, sorry. RbO2 here plus 2. If it is Rb2 Bmg का सर 12 is plus 2 है ना. Oh shit, this is not plus 2. Okay. So this is first group, this one, so plus 1, this is plus 1, so this is 2, this should be minus half, That's why superoxide and superoxide are paramagnetic. Let's see. During electrolysis of fused sodium chloride, the during electrolysis of fused sodium chloride, the anodic reaction is anionic reaction is it is anionic. Reduction of Na plus to Na plus. Anode. Oh, sorry, this is anode. In anode, positive. So there. It is oxidation of chlorine because anode means positive in electrolysis. Anode means negative. So it's nothing but NaCl. So NaCl, Na plus, Cl minus. Okay, and Cl minus. So anode in anode, as it is negative, so Cl will come to anode. Or anode, it is positive. Anode is positive. Anode is positive. In for electrolysis, it is positive. Cl will come, and Cl minus sends to Cl plus 2. Which salt of heating does not give brown color gas? So which salt of heating does not give which salt of heating does not give brown colored gas? Heating salt. Okay. Beryllium and magnesium does not give flame test. Now here I don't know this answer. I am referring to the solution. You can also refer question number 9. So answer is B, because does not give brown color gas. It's lithium nitrite. So this lithium gives oxygen. Next, lithium gives nitrate NO2. So but this is a first group element, so it gives oxygen, so no brown color. So answer is B. When carbon dioxide is passed through a solution of calcium hydroxide, when carbon dioxide, okay, calcium hydroxide, CaO2, sorry, Ca calcium hydroxide, OH2 plus carbon dioxide gives what? CaOH, Ca, this is 2, okay, calcium hydroxide plus carbonate gives calcium carbonate CaCO3. Okay, which is this is known as, there you get this is milky cloud, calcium carbonate known as milky cloud. Okay, this is calcium carbonate is known as milky cloud. Okay, the CaCO3 is known as milky cloud. Actually I am noting this point in my copy, my notes. So answer will be 20C. 20C. Okay. Which of the following oxides is amphoteric? But means both basic and okay. बे mg का सर 12, बे mg का सर 12. So these are basic strength increases down the group. Basic strength increases down the group. So this is this is not basic. This mg का सर, this is 12 mg का. So answer will be calcium oxide or magnesium oxide. So 21 answer C. Amphoteric. It is given C is amphoteric. 1920 C. Calcium carbonate. 21. Which react with acid and base? Amphoteric. Okay. Answer is C, because this first B and less B mg increases down the group mg ka. So these are all basic and this is amphoteric. Both react with acid and base. Okay, I am going to see my notes. You may hear the sound of my copies. Basic strength. Okay, basic strength. I have to look. First basic. Okay, basic strength is directly proportional to the size of metal ions. So down the group it is increasing. That's why metal oxide. Okay, in case of oxide, barium oxide, that's why it is amphoteric. Okay, here it is not given that. I pause my recording and I look and I get that it is beryllium oxide. Which of the following hydroxide is least soluble in water? Solubility. Actually solubility increases down the group. So mg का सर 12, mg का सर 12. So beryllium, but this is hydroxide. This is an exception of hydrox solubility cos. Okay, I have to look again. I have to look my notes. Actually, I am getting so this inorganic. No, you can do inorganic only by practicing. Okay, otherwise you will forget everything. Like me. So what in solubility? Okay, solubility. Okay, HOF. Okay, solubility. Okay, for second, because this is what second group Mg का separately. So in second group, a hydride, no hydrogen carbonate HOF. HOF. Okay, HOF means HCO3 hydride, then OH hydroxide, O means oxide, and F means fluoride. Okay, they are decreases down the group. Okay, solubility. Sorry. So their solubility increases. Their solubility increases, and rest all decreases. Sulfate. Okay, here it is given hydroxide. So increases the. So it will be D also. Answer will be D. Okay. 22 answer D. Huh? Solubility. Okay. Least soluble. Okay, yeah, this is most soluble. Okay, least soluble is A. Sorry. Which of the following is most soluble? So most soluble B, Mg का sir. So except I told you carbonate, oxygen, hydroxylate, and fluoride, all are decreases down the group. So most soluble is again BMG. Again it will be MgSO4 most soluble. 23 answer C. Which of the following element has the greatest tendency to form covalent compound? Okay, which of the following elements has the greatest tendency to form covalent compound? More ionic. Covalent compound means less ionic compound. So size. So according to Fazan's rule, ionic more the size. I have forgot it. Again, I am going to look my notes. It's given. Okay, in my notes. Okay, covalent character is directly opposite charge of cation. So these are B, Mg. These are all charge is same. So size opposite to size. Okay. Okay, opposite to size. Covalent character is opposite to size also. Covalent character is opposite to size. So Mg. So this is Mg. So this is greater. So covalent character. Okay, charge directly opposite and inversely proportional to the size. Therefore, inversely proportional to size. Therefore, inversely proportional to size. Therefore, Mg. Mg is the most covalent. 24 maybe B answer. 24 D. Okay, beryllium. Okay, beryllium. Yeah, at first, yeah, B, D, D. This D. Next question number 25. Correct the order of solubilities of fluoride of alkyne earth metal. Correct order of solubilities of fluorides of alkyne. Alkyne earth metal means so solubility of second group. Okay, solubility of second group only depend on HOF. That means fluoride also. So increases down the group. So BMG का सर 12 increases down the group. So BMG का सर, this answer is B. 25 answer B. But there is written answer D. I have to look. Okay, I'm good. Next, pair of amphoteric hydroxide is. Everyone knows beryllium is amphoteric. After that, magnesium. Okay, 26A maybe. 26A maybe. No. জিংকো হয়. Okay, this is basic. Boron also basic. Okay. So beryllium hydroxide is, we know that it is amphoteric. Zinc. Okay, zinc. Okay, learn this. This is from D block. Zinc. Okay, it is. Note. Zinc hydroxide is SCTB karme feko nicosan. Which of the following is strongest base? So SCTB karme BMG ka sar para. Okay, this is D block and this is S block. So strongest base means strongest base, high the size, more the base strongest. So size. So C and D, which is more stronger, D block or S block? S block is more stronger base than D block. Okay, maybe I'm looking my notes again. Yeah, S block is not S block is more basic than D block. S block more than (27C). Thermal stability of alkaline earth metal is thermal stability of alkaline carbon. Thermal stability of alkaline earth metal carbons. Okay, thermal stability carbon cause are thermally stable. Thermal stability of second group. I have been confusing. Thermal stability is a cause of first group are thermally stable. No, it's a carbon. Second group पर क्यों? Thermal stability फीमेल हाथ कम है. Fluoride, hydride and ताकि कौन बाकी thermal stability increases down the group everywhere. Cause are stable, carbon are stable, very stable, but normally increases down the group. Okay. Thermal stability BMG का first group. No, second group BMG का सर 12 BMG का सर increases. So answer will be C, 28C. A pair of metal which dissolve in sodium hydroxide is a pair of metal which dissolves in sodium hydroxide is a pair of metal which dissolve in sodium hydroxide solution. Okay. Which dissolve in man face man chromium no. This is which is not face. Today I studied this, but again I forgot this. This copper. Okay, copper. Face means chromium, copper, manganese, and nickel. Okay, copper is not going to dissolve. Okay, and so answer is SN and zinc. 29D. Yeah, because iron, copper, facement, iron, copper, manganese, and nickel. Iron, copper, Mn. Okay, not magnesium, manganese, Mn are not dissolved in anyways. Which of the following has higher solubility product? I don't know this because how you can say 30. High solubility product, maximum solubility product, size increase. Oh, solubility increase. Okay, which have higher solubility, it has higher solubility product. Okay, so PMG Lina ke Rabi se Lina ke Rabi se means CGM. Okay, so this is down the group, it is increasing, solubility increases down the group, therefore it is high. The ionic character of, so high solubility product means high soluble. Ionic character. Okay, how many questions left? 40. Again 10 questions left. It is already here, it is given 33 minutes, but actually it is already gone 50 minutes. Okay, so I'm taking too much time. It is very bad. Again 10 questions left. Maybe you have already you may complete it in 20 minutes, 10 minutes also. Okay, the ionic character of alkali metal chlorides follows the order. Ionic character. What do you mean by ionic character? Means covalent character opposite. Ionic character is same as basic strength. Okay, so chlorides follows order. So more that means size increase, ionic character increase. So Li na K, ionic character increase, size increase. Li na K. Okay, this one B, maybe 31B. So ionic character, large size of cation or small size of anion, or you can directly think ionic characters is directly proportional to the size. Okay, anion are smaller. Okay, ionic character is directly to the size. In ionic character, there is covalent character which is given by Fazan's rule, and it is opposite to the basic strength. Solubilities of group 2 carbonates, sulfates and phosphates decrease under group is due to hydration. C. Hydration energy. Again, I am going to look answers. Okay, solubility. Solubility is greater. Okay, when hydrogen energy greater, hydrogen energy greater, solubility is greater. Okay, hydrogen energy greater, so hydrogen energy of hydrogen is less energy. So for okay, these are all ionic compound, phosphate ionic compound. Okay, so in ionic compound, when hydrogen energy is more, then then solubility is more. Therefore, hydrogen energy lattice মানে কি? Lattice means it is endothermic energy. Lattice energy is given to the, and hydrogen energy is exothermic. That's why. Which of the following substance can be used for drying non-acidic gas? For drying non-acidic gas, which of the following substances can be used for drying non-acidic gas? I don't know the answer. Calcium oxide. The solubility of hydroxide of alkaline increases. Okay, solubility of hydroxides of alkaline earth metal, that means second group, increase the other group because of increase in hydration energy, decrease in lattice energy, and more prominent. No, decrease in lattice energy is less. Huh? Because lattice energy increases and hydration energy decreases. No, hydration energy increases. Solubility is due to hydration energy. Okay, solubility is due to hydration energy. So decrease in lattice energy is more prominent than the decrease in hydration energy. Increases due to, okay, it is increases due to increases hydration energy. So 34 answer may be A. Yeah, because more prominent than decreases hydration and energy, because it is not due to decrease in hydration energy, it is due to increase in hydration energy. So decrease, and it is due to decrease in lattice energy also. But if it is given that increase in hydration energy, then answer will be B. The basic of character of oxides MgO. The basic character of oxides MgO, SRO, K2O, nickel increases in the order. Basic character means oxide size. So Lina K Rabis. Okay, this is Lina B Mg K Rabise. So increases now. And this is mg ka sir. So s, this is greater than mg, and this is greater than k2. Look at that option. sr is greater than mg, and sr is greater than mg. It is correct. sr is greater than mg. It is correct. And cs is greater than k2. So this is wrong because cs is less than. cs is greater than k2o. Okay. sr is greater than. This is wrong. sr is greater than mg. This is correct. And cs is okay. This is also maybe answer. This may be answer. Okay, ली ना के रबी से, लीना के रबी से. Okay, I have to write this. MgO SrK2. MgO SrK2 NiCS. NiONCS. So be mg ka sir, therefore increases down the group, size increases, therefore sr is o is greater than mgo, and लीना के रबी से, लीना के रबी से CSO is greater than K2O. And this is nickel, this is D block, and S block, D block, so each nickel is less than. Okay, sorry. So nickel should be here, and nickel should be here, and as second group are larger than first group, so second group BMC ka so this is larger. Okay, so at ekdom last I am doing mistake, this one. So finally answer is C. So okay, there are these questions remaining you can do, but I don't have patience now to do all these questions. So bye bye.